Yok, hayır ya şimdi öğrencilere söylemedim. Esebek öğrenci kaydediyoruz. Sınır koymadın değil mi?
Thanks. We have 40 minutes, 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes. And then if we don't finish the meeting, finish the problems about the project, we will start again. Uh, Firstly, I want to introduce myself because we have new friends in this project. I am Gonca. I am an English teacher. I am I work for 25 years, and I study at Science High School now. I do project almost 5 years, and I like eTwinning projects. We did projects with Sofia. I think nearly 3 years. For 3 years.
Yes.
Yes,
This
please.
is the third.
Would you introduce yourself? Would you like to introduce
Yes.
yourself, Sofia?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Hi, my name is Sofia. I am from Greece. I teach at the third high school of Agian Argiri with Dora. Agian Argiri is a suburb of Athens. I teach Greek language, Latin, history, and philosophy. I am happy to work with Gonja again. We have worked together twice in the past. We had a good cooperation.
Mm-hmm.
Um, this is Sophia. Uh,
Okay.
uh, if I have some proposes to do, but later, maybe later,
Okay,
to
thanks.
introduce other people first,
Yes, yes, thanks so much.
yourself.
Who wants to introduce Simona?
Yes, I am from Romania. I teach school, which means I have small students, but also in the secondary level, which means I have the age group 11, 15. It's not my first time that I've been in a e-training project. I'm also the Erasmus coordinator of our school. What can I say? I'm happy to be here with you tonight, and I can wait to see what we are going to focus on.
Thank you. Yes, I write to the other partners. Okay. Yasemin teacher.
Yes. Good evening, Tor. I am a biology teacher. I have been doing eTwinning for 6 years. I love participating in projects. I live in Turkey. I have been a teacher for 19 years. I work in a high school. Nice to meet you.
Me too. Thanks so much.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Adrian. Adrian, would you like to introduce yourself?
Me?
Yes.
Oh,
Adrian
sorry.
is true pronunciation, Adrian.
Adri or Adrian, what you prefer.
Adrian.
So
Yes,
Adrian,
okay.
that's
Adrian.
fine. You can say it
Okay.
in English.
Okay.
So my name is Adrian. I'm an English teacher and a French teacher also in a school here in Barcelona, in Spain. I think we are the only one from Spain, I guess, because I was seeing like the list, but maybe there are other schools from Spain. This is my 8th year working in my school. And I started doing some training projects, but like quite some time ago, like 5 or 6 years ago. And I tried to participate in more projects, like in a full year projects. And I thought this was a very good opportunity because the topic is like quite adequate to the subject that we are doing in our school. So I'm eager to start doing some tasks with our teacher. With our students.
Thanks so much. Nice to meet you. Erangel teacher. Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
I am Erengül, to Turkey, in Safranbolu. I am biology teacher too, with Yasemin teacher. I am very happy to meet you and work this project. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Thanks so much. Dora.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you. I am Dora Papa Mikhail. I'm very happy to participate for the second time in this project. I teach Greek language and history at the same school as Sofia, and I'm very happy to meet you, all of you, and I can't wait to do great things together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tamara. Thank you.
Okay, hello everybody. Hello from Czechia. I'm very happy also to be in this project. I started eTwinning like 3 years ago, and now my students keep asking when will be next one. So I'm happy to have a project this year. And I'm also Erasmus coordinator, as one of the colleagues mentioned. So hello everybody.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Alexandra. Do you hear me?
Yes, hello. My name is Alexandra. I'm an English. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm an English teacher at a high school in Sibiu, Transylvania, Romania. I have experience with eTwinning projects, and I try to bring this eTwinning experience to each class that I teach, so that they all get to experience it. They are usually very excited, and they enjoy taking part in all the activities. So we can't wait to start.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much. Melek teacher.
Beni sen tercüme edersin Gonca. İyi akşamlar arkadaşlar.
Good evening.
Ben de Gonca arkadaşım, Erengül arkadaşımla aynı şehirdeyim. Birbirimize yakın okullarda çalışıyoruz.
She works with us in the same city. We are together.
Türk Dili ve Edebiyatı öğretmeniyim.
Turkish language and literature teacher.
4 yıldır eğitimlik çalışmalarımız var. Erengül arkadaşımızla Erasmus çalışmamız da var.
Okay. She works for 4 years for eTwinning projects, and she works for Erasmus projects with Erangel teacher.
Herkese iyi akşamlar diliyorum.
Good evening. Thank you. Thank you so much, Melek teacher. Welcome. Welcome, all of you. I am very happy to see you and to meet you. This is very good and beautiful project. This will be a very good and beautiful project because I am very excited and I have a lot of ideas, a lot of activities. And I want to explain these activities. What will we do in this project? And I will I want to share my screen. Sorry. Okay, this is our project and the harmony of sustainable nature and artificial intelligence. We've worked a lot of projects about like this project. For example, technology with nature, and I know my history and environment, etc., etc. We've worked a lot of similar projects, and this project is more. This project is bigger than the others for me because its contents are so much. But firstly, some we must do some activities. We must do some tasks. I want to explain these tasks, and then I will explain the projects, ideas, project. What will we do for these projects? Project information. Yes, you can see if you enter your twin space, harmony of sustainable nature and artificial intelligence. What are our aims? What are our results? And what is eTwinning netiquettes and core principles? Yes, you can see these contents in this page. The first page, project information about safety. Safety is the most important feature for eTwinning. If we use eTwinning core principles or safety principles, we cannot be successful for quality label. It's impossible. We absolutely, we must use safety rules, and you can see in this page. And then the other part, the plan of project. Do you see the page? Do you see on the screen? Do you see
Yes.
the twin space page? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the plan of project, yes, you can see the our project's calendar. You see
Yes.
project
Am
calendar.
I the only one who can't hear really well?
Yes, okay. October, November, and to June. The last month is May, and on June we will do final product, project results, social media, certificates, and the other tasks. This is our calendar, and we will do our tasks according to the calendar. If you want to ask something, you can stop me. This is very important part, teacher task distribution. Yes, you will see. Unfortunately, I cannot open. Okay. Yes, teacher task distribution. This is very important because absolutely every partner has a task, individual task. And you must do this task for individually for eTwinning project, this project. Yes, but maybe you don't know this feature. There is a Padlet. In this Padlet, you see task part. Here, these are our tasks here, and you see a Padlet link, and you click the link. You can write your task. What do you want to do? Task. Whatever you want, you can write. But if you cannot write, you can tell me. I can write for you. Here, please open. please.
Gonca teacher.
Yes. You don't see?
Sesin gidiyor, geliyor. Acaba sadece bana mı bilmiyorum.
İnternetim çok iyi olmayabilir.
Hepimiz hocam
Telefondan
sanki.
bağlanmak durumunda kaldım.
Evet.
Devam ediyorum. Gene durdurursun eğer.
Konuştuklarının birazını anladık, birazını anlayamadım gibi oldu.
Do you hear me, everybody?
Tamam.
Do you hear me? Is it a problem?
We can hear you, but sometimes it's not really understandable.
I'm
More or less.
sorry.
Your connection keeps failing on some.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I'm in a dormitory, so I think the connection is not good. What don't you see or what don't you understand? You can tell me. Do you see the screen? Padlet link, task, the teacher
Yes.
task. Okay.
Yeah, we can see the screen.
You can see. If you want, yes. If you don't know, if you don't hear me, please stop me. Eğer duyamazsanız beni durdurabilirsiniz. Gonca, Melek, Sofia, Maria, Yasemin, Filiz, Leyla, Erengül, Dora, and Carlo teacher wrote the task. Whatever they want, they wrote. Absolutely, you must do it. The teacher task is very important for quality label. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
New title, Skills for Life. Skills for Life is this year eTwinning main title for quality labels and European prizes and other prizes. For eTwinning, the most important title, Skills for Life. What are they? Maths, digital, literacy, science, and citizenship. Yes, I wrote something for understanding well. For example, the capacity to reason mathematically and to formulate, use, interpret mathematics, etc., etc. Yes, you see what can we do for mathematics, for this skill for life. This is very important. eTwinning this year, eTwinning, the most title, digital literacy. Yes, I wrote some informations about these titles. I wrote. You can see on TwinSpace page. And starting the project, we have 6 minutes. When the time is over, I will start again and I will share the link from the WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Safety Works, Safer Internet Day, 10th February. We will do these works, but parent permission. Geliyor mu sesim Erengül Hoca?
Geliyor.
Parent permission is very important. Yes, you see this parent permission. I opened a page, Twinboard page. You can add your parent permissions, whatever you want, but you must add here. This is very important for safety rules. And project video, I did project video, but you can do new project videos. Yes, you can watch here. And project partners contact information. This is so important because now Gonca, Sofia, Maria, Leyla here.
Ben yazamadım hocam. Ben size de söylemiştim. Açılmadı sayfa.
Ha tamam, sizinkini ekleyecektik. Tamam. Ona unutturmayın da hocam, ekleriz. Yes, please add your name and your school's name and city or country and email address. This information is necessary for a lot of places, a lot of titles. Please don't forget. Could you add your these informations? I will become happy because this is very important. And introduction and October tasks, school introduction. Yes, you must give information about your school. If you want, you prepare a video or you will write something, whatever you want, you will add information, your school's information here. I open Twinboard page for you. You can add your school's information and student introduction. Yes, it's the same like school introduction. You can prepare a YouTube video or but you can never show your students face. Your students must use their avatars and their and other things, but you cannot show your students' face and their names, their last names. First name maybe, but you don't share your last names and their faces for safety rules, eTwinning safety rules, but you must share their information, introductions. For example, I prepare a video by Viva Video. Yes, I use Viva Video for combining their videos and logo. We have 2 minutes. Logo, yes, I did a logo contest in my school, and we will choose only one, and I add here. Absolutely, you must add your school your school's only one logo. And Erangel teacher will prepare because logo survey task belongs to her. She will prepare a logo survey and we will share the link to our schools, our friends, and we will choose our logo.
Gonca hocam bir şey söyleyebilir miyim?
Evet.
Keşke diğer öğrencilerimizin hazırladıkları logoları da paylaşabileceğimiz bir sayfa olsaydı. Biz
Olur, onu
sadece
da
birincisi.
yaparız.
Hani
Yaparız
öyle olursa
yarışma haricinde olanlara. Değil mi?
ha,
Onu
ha, yani
düşündüm.
çocuklar en azından yapmış oldular. Tasarladıklarını
Hı hı.
kendi sayfalarında görmüş olsalar.
Yes, Yasemin teachers advises something. She says logos which cannot choose will share here. I will prepare a new page for these logos, but we have only one project logos, and we will share here. We will share the logo contest here and analyze. We will prepare an analysis for logo survey and our city introduction. Yes, we will share our city introduction. For example, here Safranbolu, and if you want a video which you prepared before, you can prepare new videos about your city, whatever you want. and